Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming in C for Beginners. I'm Amit Kumar and this is the 23rd tutorial Program with Input Function. Friends, in our previous tutorial we have discussed about the scanf input function and we have also seen how to accept values of different types. Now we are going to create a program where we will implement the concept that we have learned in the previous tutorial. Here the program is to accept marks in 5 subjects and show the total marks and percentage of the student. So let me first tell you the logic and then I will show you the program for it. So these are the steps that we need to follow to create any such program. First of all, we have to start the program. Then we will accept marks in 5 subjects. Definitely we have to create 5 different variables to accept marks in them. And as we have to accept these marks from the user, definitely we will use a scanf function over there. And then we will add them and divide by 5, assuming that each subject is of maximum 100 marks. So dividing by 5 is equal to dividing by 500 and multiplying by 100. So we are calculating the percentage here and finally we will show the result in form of total marks and percentage. So let's see this program practically. So here's our Visual Studio Code and now we are going to create this percentage program over here in section 4 itself. So I'm going to create a new file and we'll name it as percentage.c. Now in this program, definitely we will include stdio.h. and in the main we have to create those variables, right? Now we have to accept marks in 5 subjects. I'm assuming that student can have marks in decimal, in real numbers. So that's why I'm taking here float. So float type variables I will create. Now for marks I will create mark 1, mark 2, mark 3 and like that up to 5 marks. And then we need to calculate sum and then we need to calculate percentage. So for total I'm creating total and for percentage I'm creating PER only. So these are the 7 variables that I'm going to use in this program. I have declared them all and now I will ask the user to enter marks in 5 subjects and definitely then I will accept marks with scanf. Now I'm going to accept marks in 5 different subjects and all of them I will accept in one single scanf by writing down %f for 5 times without having any space or anything between them. And now I have to store the marks at the address of these 5 variables, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4 and mark 5. So I'm just copy pasting it and then I will change the name. Now we need to calculate the total sum. So total is equals to mark 1 plus mark 2 and we will do that for all the marks that we have obtained. So once we have calculated the total, now we need to calculate the percentage. Now we are going to calculate the percentage by dividing total by 5. In other ways, you can do that by dividing total by 500 and then multiplying the whole division by 100. So that statement is equal to dividing total by 5 itself. Now we need to print the total marks and percentage. So let me print that. So printf total marks and equals to %f and this will be the total and then one more printf and that will be for percentage and here you go. So I have created the program where I am accepting marks in 5 subjects from the user. I'm storing these marks, then I'm adding them up and storing the result in total. Then I'm dividing the total by 5 and storing the result in PER or percentage. So hence you will get total in the total variable, percentage in the per variable. Finally, I'm printing these 2 variables over here. So now let's run the program and let's see how the output is coming. Now we have already adjusted our program to show the output on the terminal. So we can definitely enter marks over here. Now let me enter 56, 56 again, 95, okay, 68, 72 and here you go. You can clearly see the total marks and percentage which is shown here. But definitely the output is not quite good, right? So we are going to improve the output. We are going to learn how to improve the output in the next video itself. So in this video, actually we have created a program that accepts marks in 5 subjects and print total marks and percentage. Now, how we are going to format the output is something we are going to discuss in the next tutorial. Now that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next video tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.